Hey, what's up everyone? It's Amber here with another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial, and today we're going to be learning Steeler's Wheels Stuck in the Middle with You. You don't need a capo for this lesson. Make sure your guitar is in standard tuning and we're going to have lots of fun, so let's go and check out the chords. First chord we need is a regular D major. We're also going to need a G7 chord. So the G7 chord looks and sounds like this. It's sort of like a stretched out C major. So your first finger is going to go into the first fret on the high E string, and then your second finger is going to go into the second fret on the A string, and then your third finger is going to reach across into the third fret on your low E string. Now, if you are just starting out and this is very uncomfortable for you, then you can play a regular G major, or you can also just play a beginner-friendly version of G7 where you just place your first finger into the first fret on the high E string. And you're just going to strum from the D string down. This is a great alternative to playing the full G7 chord. We're also going to need an A7 chord. Now for this, you can play a regular A chord if that's more comfortable for you. Otherwise, the A7 is just taking your middle finger and lifting it up from the strings. I like to play an A7 using my first and second fingers. It's up to you, whichever fingers you'd like to use. Then we're going to need a C major. And the final chord we need is an A minor 7. And for this, we just take our ring finger off the strings from that C chord. And we have an A minor 7 chord. So let's crack on with the lesson and check out the first verse of the song. So the chords will be up on the screen for you. We have 4 rounds of a D major chord. So we'll play that 4 times in the song. We're then going to go across to the G7 chord. And this is going to be played for 2 rounds. We go back to our D major. A7 is next. We then have a C major to a G7, and those chords are in brackets. So they're going to have a slightly quicker chord change. And then we end the verse off with 2 rounds on our D major. So what we're going to do first, just to get into the swing of the lesson, is we're going to play 4 down strums on each of the chords that you see up on the screen. Now just take note, when we get to the chords between brackets, we're just going to be playing 2 strums on each of the chords. So the C will just get 2 strums, and the G7 will get the other 2 strums. Okay, because 2 plus 2 equals 4. So let's take a look at that verse, starting on the D. A 1, 2, ready, and D, 2, 3, 4, repeats, 2, 3, 4, D again, and one more time. We switch to the G7, 2, 3, 4, again, 2, 3, 4, and to the D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A7, 2, 3, 4, C for 2, G7 for 2, and D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so that was a little slow if you think about the speed of the song. So we're going to try it again, and this time I'm going to add some singing in, just to give some context. So let's start from the D. A 1, 2. Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the D chord again and the D. I'm so G7 in case of the G7. And I D chord again and the D. A7 to the left of me and C to the G7. Here's the D. And D again. 2, 3, 4. So that is kind of the swing and feel of the song. And once you've got those chords under your fingers and those chord transitions are feeling a little bit easier for you, then we're going to take a look at the strumming pattern. Now the strumming pattern is where things are going to become quite interesting. So the good news with the song is that the chords are easy, but the strumming pattern is where you're going to feel challenged. So it's a very interesting pattern, as I've said, and it has a percussive element. So it's going to sound something like this. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up. Okay, and if I show you that on a chord, so you can hear how that mute is going to be sounding. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the mute is happening on beats 2 and beats 4. And how are we going to be achieving this mute? Well, what you're going to be doing is almost slapping your hand onto the strings. Your palm of your hand is going to be stopping the strings from ringing. Okay, so if I do it slowly for you, down, up, mute. And your pick actually can strum the strings, but because your palm is going to be resting on the strings, you're not going to hear anything. It's going to give that percussive sound that we're looking for. So we're just muting the strings on beats 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So spend some time here on the D major chord. Don't try and incorporate any chord transitions just yet. Just practice getting that mute sounding really good. And do it slowly first and really think about what you're doing. Really count out or say the downs and the ups. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up. Some people say a chuck, some people say stop. You can say down, up, stop, up, down, up, stop, up. Or you can say down, up, chuck, up. It's all the same thing, just using different words to describe what you're doing. So as I've mentioned, this percussive strumming pattern really drives the song forward and gives it the momentum it needs. So if you have got that strumming pattern feeling really good and comfortable, then let's go ahead and try it in the song. So it's taking it from the D major. Each chord you see on the screen is going to get one round of the pattern, which means we count up to 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's one round of the pattern. And then when we get to the C and the G7, you'll split it in half. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's give it a try, starting on the D. A 1. Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right. Switch. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair. And the D chord, I'll get down the stairs. A7, clowns to the left, me, jokers to the right. Here I the D, and we repeat the D again. So that is how it sounds with that percussive strumming. Now, if you are struggling with the percussive strumming and it's just not coming together for you at the moment, that's completely fine. What we can do instead, if you are a beginner and you really want to play the song, then we can actually substitute the percussive strumming with a different strumming pattern. And you'll be very happy to know it's our favorite pattern, down, down, up, down, up. Now that will be one round of the strumming pattern. So if that is going to feel more comfortable for you, it's not going to sound exactly like the record, but it will definitely get the job done. So with the easier strumming pattern, this is what the song could sound like. 1, 2. Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair. And I'm wondering how I'll get down the stairs. A7, clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. And what I did in that section with the chords between brackets, I just split the pattern in half. So the C got the first 2 strums, and the G7 got the up, down, up. Jokers to the right, here I am, stuck in the middle with you. So there you've got two strumming patterns that really work wonders in the song. So try them both out and see which one fits and suits you better. Now, if you've made it this far into the lesson, then I'm sure you are having a great time hanging out with me today and learning this cool song. If you are, please could I ask you to just take 2 seconds and hit that like button and to subscribe to my channel and join the Stellar Guitarist community. We have so much fun here every single week. I release lessons just like this for you every single Sunday so that you can become a stellar guitarist and grow your guitar playing skills. So enough of that, let's get back into the lesson. So we have one final section to learn today, which is the bridge. And the chords we need here are 2 rounds of our G7 chord. We're then going to transition to our D chord for 2 rounds. Back to G7 for 2 rounds. And then we're going to play a D chord and we're going to hold it for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then to A minor 7 for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, we're going to be using the percussive strumming pattern. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up. To the D chord. Back to G7, 1, 2, then we hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, switch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can add some singing in there. So we're going to start on that G7. Well, you started out with nothing and you're proud that you're a self-made man. Back to G7, repeat the G7 and please. A minor 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to do it one more time, and this time I'm going to use the beginner-friendly strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up, just so that you can see how that would work. So you can join me on the G7, 1, 2. Well, you started out with nothing and you're proud that you're a self-made man. Back to G7, 2, 3, 4, repeat, and then the D, A minor 7, and then from here it goes right back into a verse. So well done. That is how you play this incredible song. Good job for making it this far. And now that we've learned all the important parts of the song, what we're going to be doing next is a full playthrough of the song coming up next. So have your guitar ready and let's get into it together. Let's do a full playthrough. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair, and I'm wondering how I get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you, and I'm wondering what it is I should do. It's so hard to keep the smile from my face. Losing control, yeah, I'm all over the place. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am stuck in the middle with you. Well, you started out with nothing and you're proud that you're a self-made man. And your friends, they all come crawling, slap you on the back and say, please, please. Trying to make some sense of it all, but I can see that it makes no sense at all. Is it cool to go to sleep on the floor? 'Cause I don't think that I can take any more. the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am stuck in the middle with you. Well, you started out with nothing and you're proud that you're a self-made man. And your friends, they all come crawling, slap you on the back and say, please, please. Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair, and I'm wondering how I get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you. Stuck in the middle with you. Here I am stuck in the middle with you. So that's how you play Stuck in the Middle with You on the guitar. Thanks so much for jamming with me today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you did, then you can go and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And then why not check out the song which is being suggested to you on the screen. I'm sure you're going to love learning it. Until next time, I'll see you in another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye.